Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom form here in Zoho People. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your admin account. Now go to the top and click on the gear icon. And then here you can go ahead and select onboarding or leave tracker or some other options right here that allows creating form. Okay, for example, onboarding and leave tracker. So for leave tracker, let's just go ahead and click on this option. And in this tab at the top, you have the extend service option. Okay, you can go ahead and click on add form right here and then give it a name. For example, sample leave form. Okay, add in a description. Fill this out if you want to take a leave. Just for example, now you can go ahead and select the form type. It can be from scratch. Okay, if you want to edit it from scratch or clone existing forms. Okay, you're just going to go ahead and click on add form from scratch. Hit on save. We'll move on to customizations right here. And here you have your basic form. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead and add in some fields. For example, email ID right here. Just drag and drop. All right, like so. Give it a name, for example, email ID. Hit on save. And once done, it will be added. And at the right panel, you can go ahead and edit the field properties. Okay, maximum characters right here. Also, you can go ahead and add in the initial value. All right, so if you want to add in some more, for example, a radio or radio button. Okay, you can go ahead and drag and drop. Like so, maybe just for example, the work type. Okay, could be option 1 full-time, option 2 would be part-time, all right, or maybe custom. Now once that's done, hit on save and it will be added right here. If you want it to be a mandatory or a mandatory field, you can go ahead and click on this checkbox and you'll have the asterisk. That means that it is mandatory or required. All right, and once you're happy with your form right here, you can now go ahead and click on access control and set the permissions. Okay, select the roles right here. It could be director, manager that can basically access a specific form. For example, directors. All right, or you can go ahead and add in all of your roles available. Just click on select. Now you can go ahead and edit the access control again to view, edit, or add, delete. Okay, for example, for directors right here, you can go ahead and click on this person icon. Now you can go ahead and click on all data so that the director right here can view, can edit, can add all data, can delete all data if they wanted to. And then once done, go ahead and click on preview right here. And as you can see, email ID and work type is now available. All right, and once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and click on the close button. And here you have your sample leave form. That is how you create a custom form here in Zoho People. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.